Unit 2, Learning Target Number 5. Use inverse operations to solve one-step division equations. As with subtraction, addition, and multiplication, we're going to follow the same 3 rules to solve division equations. First of all, we're going to get x all by itself. We're going to do that by using inverse operations. And then whatever we do to the left side, we'll do to the right. So how do we get x all by itself? Well, here we have x divided by 4. The opposite of division, or the inverse of division, is multiplication. So we're going to multiply this side over here by 4. And let's see what that looks like. We have x over 4 is equal to 8, and we're multiplying 4 by that x. What do we get when we multiply 4 by x? Well, we get 4x over 4, which is the same thing as 4 over 4 times x. And the 4 divided by 4 is just 1, which leaves us with 1 times x, or just plain old x. Since we've got x all by himself, though, we still have another problem. That is, now that we've gotten rid of the 4 that we divided by, our equation is no longer balanced. X divided by 4 was equal to 8. X by itself is not equal to 8, so we have to follow our third rule. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other side as well. As you can see, we multiplied by 4 times x on the left-hand side. So on the right hand, which is just an 8, we also have to multiply by 4. 4 times 8 gives us 32, and our equation is balanced. So let's check our answer. 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8, and yes, it is. And we have our right answer. Here are some example division equations. First of all, we have a divided by 11 is equal to 3. We need to find a. And of course, to find a, we need to get it all by itself. And how do we do that? Using inverse operations. Well, we're doing division right now, so the inverse of that would be multiplication, which means we need to multiply by 11. So 11 times a is 11a over 11. So that gives us 11 over 11, which is just 1. 1a is equal to a. Now, whatever we do to the left side, since we multiplied by 11 on the left side, we also have to multiply by 11 on this side. 3 times 11 is 33. Now let's check our answer. A divided by 11 was equal to 3. It's supposed to be an A. So let's try it. A is 33 divided by 11, and that is, yes, it is equal to 3. So we know we have the right answer. All right, over here, m divided by 7 is equal to 9. Get m by itself using the inverse operation of division, which is multiplication. We'll multiply by 7 here. 7 divided by 7 is 1m, which is the same as m. Whatever we do to the left side, and we multiplied by 7 on the left side, whatever we do on the left side, we have to do to the right. 9 times 7 is 63, so m is equal to 63. And we check our answer. 63 is equal to m, so we'll substitute that in. 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9, and is it? Why, yes, it is. So 9 equal to 9, and we have the right answer. Finally, we'll use our division equations to do a little problem solving. Alyssa had some slices of pizza. She divided them among 4 friends. Each friend received 4 slices. How many pieces did she originally have? Well, she had 4 friends, and she divided her pizza amongst them, and she had 4 slices left over. So, she had some pizza. We don't know how much, but we know she divided it among 4 of her friends, and she had 4 pieces left over. We'll simply replace this with a variable, and that will give us p, for the amount of pizza, divided by 4 is equal to 4. And then we'll simply solve the equation to find our answer. So p divided by 4 is equal to 4, or p over 4 is equal to 4. And then we'll multiply using the inverse operation to get p all by itself. 4 over 4 is 1 times p, which is just p. So on this side, since we multiplied over here, we have to multiply on this side. P is equal to 16. And we'll check our answer. 16, replacing p with 16, divided by 4 is equal to 4. And yes, it is 4. And 4 on the other side, we've got it.